Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this list, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will search about REDnote app and we click. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.